Yeah, so Woodbridge Retirement Village is a not-for-profit organisation that was established in 1979 for the benefit and welfare of older people in the community. It's home to nearly 300 residents living in one of our 220 homes, and the average age of our residents is 84 years old. Rising electricity costs are a major concern for our residents, the majority of whom are on an age pension or a part pension. The increasing cost in electricity was putting upward pressure on residents' maintenance fees. In addition, uninterrupted power is essential to support the activities of the community centre, which is the hub of our community. Since 2021, the electricity cost for running the community centre has increased from $21,000 to an estimated $45,000 this year. The exposure to electricity price volatility was putting significant pressure on the residents' maintenance budget, which includes things like the heating of the pool and the spa and the air conditioning within the community centre. The board decided to invest in an energy storage system as part of its commitment to keeping residents' maintenance fees affordable and enable residents to have more money in their pockets to invest in their health and well-being. The system was only commissioned last week. Our initial observations indicate the system is operating as designed, and we can see that the system is covering the electricity usage of the community centre. We're expecting to achieve 100% savings in our electricity costs as a result of the installation of this system. The portal gives us improved control and visibility over the energy usage at the community centre, and we have an added benefit where our residents are able to access the SolaX Cloud to have a look at how the system is operating and what money they're able to save themselves. The board's investment will reduce reliance on grid electricity and limit future cost increases, enabling resident maintenance funds to be invested in other essential services to support our residents to live their best independent life.
For this project, we implemented the SolaX AELIO system because safety was a #1 priority. In our conversations with the team at Woodbridge, the biggest concern was protecting residents. It had to be something robust, reliable, and most importantly, safe. The AELIO stood out straight away. Yes, it's an all-in-one system, standalone, with flexible operating modes and advanced AI. What really made the difference was its safety design. You're looking at a 5-layer closed-loop fire suppression system, 0 residual suppression, and a fully self-contained cabinet. It delivers a level of safety and security that a traditional wall-mounted system just cannot match. On top of that, each battery module is individually monitored with real-time data and intelligent system controls, constantly analysing the performance and safety conditions. Another big reason why we trust this system and our relationship with SolaX. SolaX have flown our team over to the headquarters and manufacturing facilities multiple times now. We've seen firsthand how these systems are built and how seriously they take safety and exactly what's coming in their upcoming technology. And importantly, having a local SolaX technician on hand is a huge benefit, both in the commercial and residential space. It means that support is always close by when it matters. That level of insight, innovation, and local support gave us full confidence in what we're installing here at Woodbridge. The installation process was actually quite straightforward. Craning in the battery was a real team effort and definitely had the locals stopping and watching. It created a fair bit of buzz on site. Once it was in position, everything came together smoothly thanks to the all-in-one self-contained design. The key advantages really come down to the safety, simplicity, and control. From a safety perspective, having a fully enclosed system with built-in fire suppression, continuous monitoring, and intelligent automation provides a level of protection that gives both us and the client real peace of mind. Commissioning was straightforward, which makes a big difference on a project like this. And from an operational point of view, the ease of monitoring is a standout. You've got real-time system data, individual battery tracking, and full visibility over the performance at all times. Plus, having local SolaX technicians available adds another layer of confidence, knowing that support is readily accessible if needed. At the end of the day, it's a solution that's safe, smart, and dependable.